Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you the correct way to clean your hands using the 7 steps of hand hygiene. Proper hand hygiene helps prevent infections and protect both healthcare workers and patients. Firstly, remove any jewelry, watches or accessory from your hands. Ensure your nails are trimmed, clean and well gained. Prior to the initiating the hand scrub, appropriate attire including a surgical cap, surgical mask, and beard if applicable. Let's proceed with the WHO recommended hand scrubbing technique. Following this step, firstly, wash both hands up to the elbow with RO water, avoiding direct contact with the tap. Use the scrub panel sensor to turn the water on and off. Then, obtain disinfectant soap or solution, specifically povidone iodine scrub. Using your knee to push scrub panel and take it onto your hands without making direct contact of hand with the scrub panel. Alright, step number 1 is palm to palm. Start by applying enough soap or hand sanitizer to cover all hand surfaces. Rub your palms together in the circular motion. This helps remove germs from main surface to the hand. Step number 2 is palm over dorsum. Place your right palm over the back of left hand, interlace your fingers and rub. Then switch and rub left palm over the back of the right hand. This clean back of the hands. Step number 3 is palm to palm with finger interlaced. Rub palm to palm with finger interlaced. This step cleans the spaces between your fingers where the germs often hide. Step number 4 is back of fingers. Place the back of your fingers against the opposite palm with fingers interlocked and rub. This helps clean the back of fingers and knuckles. Step number 5 is thumbs. Rotate your right thumb with your left palm and rotate it. Then do the same with the left thumb. Thumb are often missed during hand washing, so this step is very important. Step number 5 is fingertips and nails. Rub your fingertips in a circular motion on the opposite palm. These steps clean the fingertips and under the nails where many germs stay. Step number 7 is wrist. Finally, rub each wrist with the opposite hand to ensure complete hand hygiene. Ensure the direction of rubbing is from wrist to elbow, avoiding rubbing in the reverse direction, that is elbow to wrist or the back. Then, rinse both hands from fingertip to elbow to remove soap, avoiding rising in the reverse direction, that is from elbow to wrist or finger, as this considered improper practice. Then this is conclusion. The entire hand hygiene process should take 20 to 30 seconds. Practicing this 7 steps regularly can significantly reduce the spread of infections. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more healthcare and educational content.